Hi, I'm Simon from Olive Wood Technology and I'm going to take you through the Chil-LED product, what comes in the box and how it installs. First of all, you've got the Chil-LED unit itself and the seal and the driver module. Okay, so the first thing to note is that the Chil-LED unit itself comes in two parts. The lower part, which is the lit part, that sits inside the cold store, and the top part, which is the heatsink, which sits above. And the two separate, but it's just a friction fit. So prior to installation, this one's removed, and we prepare that for installation. Now the heatsink unit, you'll notice, has got some thermal grease in it, and it's very important that that stays there. It's not cleaned up, it's very important for the thermal transfer. The other components are a seal and a clip. And the seal will fit above the ceiling and seal the upper part from the lower part above the ceiling space. Let's look at installation. Chil-LED requires a single 40mm hole through the insulated panel. This must be cut square to the panel to ensure that the fitting sits flush against the panel itself. Olive Wood supply a core cutter jig, which makes this operation simple and accurate. So once the hole's drilled flat and square, it's important to get the entire upper surface nice and clean, because what we're going to do is bond the seal into place. The seal goes into the hole, pushes down and clicks into place. And what we want to do is to actually bond it into place. So before I click it in, I'm going to put a layer of sealant just around the base to ensure that it stays firmly stuck and sealed. Let's push it down into place. The Chil-LED fitting is installed from below the ceiling panel. With the heatsink removed, peel away the release liner on the adhesive gasket, then insert the Chil-LED into the bore hole. Take care to guide the wiring loom so that it isn't trapped. The next stage of installation takes place from above the ceiling. Attach the clip and secure firmly. Next, carefully insert the heatsink assembly and ensure that the wiring loom fits into the notch provided. Once the heatsink is properly seated, connect the driver. Note that on certain models, other connections may be required for controls and sensors. Guards are also available to protect the system. If selected, these may now be fitted. Next, power up the light and check for correct function. Thanks for watching this video. We hope that your installation goes smoothly, but if you have any problems or questions, please do get in touch with us. You can reach us by email at operations@olivewood.tech, by phone using the number below, or via our website at olivewoodtech.co.uk. And don't forget to connect with us on Twitter.